A very good morning to all my dear students. How are you all? I hope you are taking good care of your health at your home and also मम्मी पापा का भी ख्याल रखते हो ना? So ready for your social class? Let us see where were we? In the last class you have started about the chapter number 3, the Northern Plains. In this chapter you have already completed about river basins with Neha ma'am. Remember, you have completed the Satluj river basin, the Ganga river basin and the Brahmaputra river basin. Today we will continue with the chapter with the topic Life in Satluj river basin. Okay? Life in Satluj basin. The Satluj river flows through the states of Punjab and Haryana. So mark this point important. The Satluj river flows through which states? Through Punjab and Haryana. Okay, next. Chandigarh is the capital of both these states. It is a very well planned city. So which is the capital of these both states? Chandigarh. So you have to remember this as an important point. If you remember the answer point wise, it will be easy for you. So in the first point we saw that Satluj river flows through Punjab and Haryana. और ये दो states का capital क्या है? तो Chandigarh. It is a very well planned city. Next, the other cities of this region are Jalandhar, Ludhiana and Amritsar. ये region के दूसरी cities का नाम क्या है? Jalandhar, Ludhiana and Amritsar, which is famous for the Golden Temple. Here you can see the picture of Golden Temple. Have you all visited? Very nice. So these cities are famous for the Amritsar is famous for the Golden Temple. Next, as the basin is fertile and has abundant water supply, most of the people are farmers. क्योंकि यहाँ का जो रिवर बेसिन है उसकी लैंड कैसी है? फर्टाइल है, इसीलिए यहाँ पे वाटर सप्लाई भी ज़्यादा है एंड इसीलिए यहाँ पे ज़्यादा लोग क्या है? फार्मर्स. लेट अस सी नेक्स्ट. These farmers use scientific and modern ways of farming. ये farmers कौन सा मेथड यूज़ करते हैं फार्मिंग के लिए? तो scientific and modern ways. Okay. So let us see which instruments are used by them. Tractors, tube, wells, harvesters and use of good quality seeds gave a good quality yield. That means they use tractors, tube, wells, harvesters and use of good quality of seeds. That means जो seeds वो use करते हैं वो एकदम high quality के होते हैं, right? Which gives them a good quality yield. जो उनका final product होता है वो भी इतने अच्छे instruments की वजह से और modern ways की वजह से बहुत अच्छा होता है. Understood till here? Let us move further. Wheat, millet, rice, sugarcane, gram, oil seeds and a huge variety of vegetables are grown here. See, this is important. Mark this as important point. If you are asked that which type of varieties of vegetables are grown in the Satluj river basin, then you can write wheat, millet, rice, sugarcane, gram, oil seeds and a huge variety of vegetables. Okay. Next, cattle rearing is also practiced and healthy breeds of cows and buffaloes are bred here. What is also practiced in this region? Cattle rearing. Dairy farming is another important profession of the region. Apart from cattle rearing, it is another profession in the region which is dairy farming. जो हम डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ करते हैं उसके लिए डेयरी फार्मिंग होता है, तो इस रीजन में डेयरी फार्मिंग भी एक इम्पॉर्टेंट प्रोफेशन है. देन हरियाणवी, पंजाबी एंड हिंदी आर स्पोकन बाय द पीपल. नाउ मार्क दिस इम्पॉर्टेंट. विच लैंग्वेजेस आर स्पोकन बाय द पीपल ऑफ दिस रीजन? हरियाणवी, पंजाबी एंड हिंदी. ओके. देन people of Punjab are prosperous and celebrate festivals like Lori, Basant, Basant Panchami, Baisakhi, Guru Purab and Diwali. We all celebrate different festivals. So we all have some important festivals of our state, like we live in Gujarat. So which is the important festival of Gujarat? Navratri. You all enjoy that. So there are some important festivals of different region. So people of Punjab are very enthusiastic and happy for the festivals like Lori, Basant Panchami, Baisakhi, Gurpurab and Diwali. Okay, mark this as important. Next, folk dances like Bhangra and Gidda are performed by men and women respectively. Now you have heard about many dance forms, right? So in this region, men and women perform which type of dance? If you are asked in the exam, then you can write folk dances like Bhangra and Gidda. Okay, so let us revise in short today's topic. Life in the Satluj Basin. In the first point, we saw that the Satluj river flows through two states, Punjab and Haryana. So we will revise point wise. First point, the Satluj river flows through Punjab and Haryana. Then second point, Chandigarh is the capital of these both states. Okay, easy to remember these both points. Then you will remember the other cities in this region which we studied, that are Jalandhar, Ludhiana and Amritsar. And Amritsar is famous for Golden Temple. As the basin is fertile, what happens here? Water supply is good and most of the people are farmers. And what farmers use? They use scientific and modern ways of farming. They use tractors, tube wells, harvesters and a good quality of seeds. And then next fourth point, which vegetables are grown here? Wheat, millet, rice, sugarcane, gram, oilseeds and a huge variety of vegetables. Easy to remember point wise. Then very simple. There are two professions practiced here, cattle rearing and dairy farming. Then you have to remember which languages are spoken in this region, which festivals are celebrated by them and the dance form. So languages spoken by them, Haryanvi, Punjabi and Hindi. And people of Punjab celebrate festivals Basant Panchami, Baisakhi, Gurpurab and Diwali. Okay, and the dance forms were Bhangra and Gidda. So easy topic. Now I have a short worksheet for you. Okay, you will know the answers of this worksheet if you have heard the video carefully. We have discussed about all the questions. Okay, see, you have to write this worksheet in your notebook. First, which river flows through the state of Punjab and Haryana? Easy answer. Next, Chandigarh is the capital of which both states? We discussed earlier. Third, which method is used by farmers? Fourth, which vegetables are grown in this region? And the last question, which languages are spoken by the people in Satluj Basin? Okay, you have to write this worksheet in your notebook. We will meet in the next lecture with the remaining topic of this chapter. Thank you students. God bless you.